Assalamu alaikum. This is Rosina Raja of Yaqeen Institute. Today I'd like to speak with you about balance in Ramadan, and I'd like to push back on the term balance. When you think about work-life balance, or work-life Ramadan balance, or work-life family Ramadan balance, the problem with that is that there's an assumption or an implication that at any given moment you're going to have, or a given moment it's possible for a person to have everything okay, everything managed, everything under control. But that's really not how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us, the world, or the human experience. Instead, what it actually does is that it creates like a sense of anxiety because we feel like we just can't measure up. Not everything is not everything is managed. So instead, I suggest we use the term alignment. Alignment helps us to think about how the different parts of our lives kind of fit together, and whether they reflect our values and how they do and how they work together or don't. I'm thinking about the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he said, if you know the day of judgment is coming, plant that tree. And so think about all the different things you have in your life as trees, and think about how those different trees kind of look in the garden of your life. If you tend to one, you can't tend to the others, but are the others okay, right? And are there any weeds in there that you need to kind of get rid of? A good way to do that, especially if you're thinking about like goals you might have set in Ramadan or realigning your life, this Ramadan is to make two lists. A list of the I can'ts, what do you feel like you just can't do? The I musts, what you feel like you must do, and then the I wills, inshallah. So think about those two lists and then make a new list of I wills, and hopefully reap the greatest benefits of this beautiful and blessed month, and moving forward. Assalamu alaikum.